Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix the TikTok no internet connection error on your iPhone. So if TikTok is not loading videos showing network errors, or saying there is no internet connection even though your internet is working, then this video will help you fix it. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you are here, turn on airplane mode and wait around 5 seconds. After that, turn airplane mode back off again. This will refresh your network connection and can often fix temporary internet issues. Next, tap on Wi-Fi from the Settings menu. If you are currently connected to Wi-Fi, try turning Wi-Fi off and use your mobile data instead. If TikTok still does not work on mobile data, turn Wi-Fi back on and make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. Now head back to the main settings page and scroll down and tap on General. Then select iPhone Storage. Scroll down through the list of apps until you find TikTok and tap on it. Now press Offload app and confirm by tapping Offload again. This will remove the app temporarily without deleting your documents or data. Once it finishes, tap Reinstall app and wait a few seconds while TikTok reinstalls on your iPhone. If the problem is still not fixed, go back to General and scroll down to VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. It should say Not Connected. Sometimes VPN connections can stop TikTok from loading properly. Now, if you have tried all of these methods and TikTok is still showing the no internet connection error, go back to the previous menu and scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and then select Reset Network Settings. You will need to enter your iPhone passcode to confirm this step. Once your iPhone restarts, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or mobile network and then try opening TikTok again. Thanks for watching.